Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create icon set with Recraft AI. So if you want to design your own professional icon set with AI, in this Recraft tutorial, I'll show you step by step on how you can create icons, customize them, and even troubleshoot common issues. So Recraft AI is one of the most powerful design tools today. With it, you can generate high quality, consistent icons in seconds. So it's perfect for apps, website, or branding. So the first step that you need to do is set up Recraft workspace. You can just go to the Recraft AI and start a new projects in here and select the image options in here. And here you'll be asked to change the model. You can click on this option and click on this drop down. After that, now choose the vector icon options, and here you guys can see there are lots of vector icon types that you can choose. So for example, I'm going to go with the pictogram style. You can click on apply, and then here you can copy and paste it. You can also readjust the position like this. You can paste in here, and now you can just add the prompt. So you can add the prompt in here in a text box. For example, I'm going to create this icon, outline style laptop icon with clean thin strokes. You can adjust the size, you can also specify the details and choose the visibility. And now let's just click on Recraft to see the results. As you guys can see here, this will be the result. If you want to regenerate again, you can just click on the canvas in here and choose or add the prompt again. And don't forget to build a consistent icon set. So to keep your icon set consistent, you need to use the same style words in all prompts, like the outline, flat, or filled. So you can just repeat these steps until you have the icon set. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.